Hi, I'm Sawyer, and I'm from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press, and today we're here with...
MARIANGELA, ABEO, but you can call me M.
Okay, and is there a new trend as you go forward in working on movies that you want to encourage people to be aware about teen suicide?
I think right now, especially with this film, Sawyer, we're trying to make sure that people can better communicate with people like you and the younger people because, I never had to communicate with someone that has everything that you have today. So I think right now we're just trying to encourage people to talk less, listen more, be present, and learn a little bit about the young people in their lives rather than just trying to tell them the fastest way to their goals. Does that make sense?
Yes, and if you could give one homework assignment to teachers, parents, and students, what would you give?
That's such a great question. One homework assignment to teachers, parents, and adults. I would say try your...
Also children.
And children. Okay, so I should make it PG. I would say try your hardest to remember that things are not how they were when you were young. And so make an effort one day to put yourself in the youth that you're talking to or the children that you're talking to into their shoes and see what they have that surrounds them and see how you feel by the end of the day and meet them where they are in their lives.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome, Sawyer. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
You're
too.
You're an awesome young human.
Thank you.
Yeah.